Hello guys, welcome to Pretech Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to hide page title using WordPress, and also I will teach you, if you're using Elementor, how you can easily hide page title in the Elementor and also in the normal WordPress block editor. So let's get started this video. Please, I request you, if you are new to my channel, just to subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends so I bring more nice tutorial in future for you. So let's move to the video and we will learn how you can hide page title in WordPress. I'm going to teach you the first step, which is a block editor. If you're using block editor or any theme, you can easily hide page title. If I go to the themes appearance and click on themes and add themes, and we have a lot of blog themes like we have here Cadence theme, Bloxy theme and GeneratePress theme. They already have option to hide page title when you create your new page. If I go to pages and click on new page, click on add page, I'm going to give this page title services. And now if we are using GeneratePress, Cadence theme or other blog editor theme, you will find under the page right side option to hide the page title. But in our case, I'm using Elementor, but still I will able to teach you how you can hide page title if your blog template or blog theme does not have option to hide it. So first, for that we will go to backend in the WordPress and go to plugins, click on add plugins. So in the plugins, we are going to search here title remover. When you search title remover, you will find title remover plugin. If I scroll down, we have a here plugin title remover. Let's click on install now and we will activate this plugin right away. Now when we create a new page or title, if I go to pages and now if I click on add page, I'm going to create a new page now, our services. Now if I go here in the right side, click on page, we have also two options, page and block. Keep click on page and downside here we have a new option, hide the page title for this item. Okay, and then we have to publish. Click on publish. Now this time the page title will be hidden in the front end. So now we don't have page title here. If I put content here, I'm going to put any content just to show you. I'm going to paste my description here, content just to show you, and now save changes. Make sure you click on page and to hide it. If I go now, check my page and we have only description. This is the logo and then we have only description without page title. Same way, let me teach you how you can do it with Elementor if you're using Elementor. So when we click on add page in the Elementor, click on add page and I'm going to put here our services. Same way, we will click here add it with Elementor because we are using Elementor. So add it with Elementor. Now it will load Elementor and now we will able to hide the page title inside the Elementor. That's more easy in the Elementor. For Elementor, we will look here left side, we have option page setting. Let's click on the page setting and scroll down. We have option here hide title. Just we have to enable it. Now you can see the changes. The page title will be hidden from here. And there also have option to choose the page layout. If you are building with Elementor, you can choose Elementor full width, but to hide title, you just have to enable it in the page setting. Enable hide title. Then you have to click on publish. Your page will be hidden. Let me show you now. I'm going to just this is our page title. Let me show you the page title here. Let me refresh. And click on page setting, and now I'm going to provide the page title here, our services. So let me click on published. Just to refresh. Okay, now our page title is already hidden. So if I select back to page layout default, and our title will be back here. So you can hide two ways. Either you have to choose the page layout. If you choose Elementor full width, it will automatic hide it. Otherwise, you can just hide from the option hide title. Just you have to enable it. Let me add any content just to show you. I'm going to click on add element and drag the text editor here. And let me, so this is our title. So now publish. Our page title, our services will be still there now. But if I go to same page where we added our page, click on page setting. If I enable hide title, immediately it will be hidden and save changes. You don't need to, you don't forget to click on publish when you enable hide title option from here. So if I not use hide title, I can use page layout Elementor full width, and it will change the layout to full width, and automatically it will hide the page title from the upper side here. So you don't need any plugin. If you're using Elementor, you can easily hide page title from page setting. If you're using blog editor, and then you have to hide the page title from the, when we click on add page. So this is the WordPress blog editor, we call it. If you're not using the Elementor, then you have option here to hide title, because we are using this plugin. Otherwise, if you're using Generate Plus or any type of blog editor theme, you will find the option to hide page title always when you're going to add new page. Then you have to look at right side under the page what options you have in your theme. You have to keep in mind. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.